Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can get Hypesquad on Discord. So you cannot get Hypesquad using your Discord application. So you must need to open Google Chrome. So first open your Google Chrome and select new tab. Now click on this three dot icon in the top right corner and now select desktop site. Tick on this desktop site. Now in the search bar type discord.com and click on search. Here you can pinch the screen to zoom in, and here you can see open Discord. Here you can see I can successfully logged in my Discord account. So you need to zoom in and scroll down. Here you can see a settings icon. Just click on that settings icon. Now this new page will show up. Here you need to scroll down again and you can find this option, Hypesquad. You can see at the bottom of this page you can see Hypesquad. Just tap on that and you can find here join Hypesquad. Now here you got a quiz. You need to answer 5 questions and just you need to answer them and click on next. Then you can be joined to Hypesquad. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.